Hello, my dear students. In our present class, we will discuss some NCERT exemplar. NCERT NCERT exemplar, and the topic covered is chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. So, our first question: for a certain reaction, the rate law given K, or rate law given R equals to K into 8 into B to the power 3 by 2. Okay, can this reaction belong to an elementary reaction? Now the question is, can this reaction belongs to an elementary reaction? This is our question. So now, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? This is a very good question. This is not only important for your board exam, but this type of concept clearing questions are very important for your entrance exam, for IITs, NITs, and medicals. So, what will be the answer? So, to going through the details of the answer, you should first know what is an elementary reaction. What is an elementary reaction? What is an elementary reaction? Actually, for an elementary reaction, the order of the reaction must be equal to its molecularity. For an elementary reaction, the order of the actually this will be overall order. The overall order of the reaction must be equal to its molecularity. Must be equal to its molecularity. Now the molecularity, we all know what is the molecularity. Molecularity is the nothing but the number of molecules taking part is in the rate determining step, that is in the flow step. So as the molecularity involves the number of molecules in taking part in the rate determining step, so molecularity should be the integral, should be of integral value. Okay, so molecularity should be integral. Molecularity should be integral. Molecularity should be integral. So for the given rate law, here for the given reaction, for the given reaction, what will be the order? Order will be the power of the concentration of A raised to 1 and the power of the concentration of B raised to 3 by 2. So this order gives, so this is a fractional value. is give the fractional value. That means that means 5/2 cannot be its molecularity. Why? Because molecularity always be integral. Molecularity always should be integral. But here the molecularity becomes 5/2, which is a fractional value. So molecularity cannot be 5/2. 5/2 can be its order, but not molecularity. Therefore, therefore, this reaction cannot be an elementary reaction. Therefore, the given reaction, therefore, the given reaction cannot be an elementary reaction, cannot be an elementary, the given reaction cannot be an elementary reaction. So my dear students, I think you will learn something, and I hope you will all enjoy the class. And so I am requesting all of my dear friends to please write down the notes. uh, in our next exemplar we will see a more typical example. Our next point, molecularity of any reaction not be equal to 0. Molecularity of any reaction can not be equal to 0. So, is it true? Explanation. So, we need its explanation whether it is true or false. So, before going to the details of the answer, we should first know what will be the molecularity. So, what do you mean the molecularity? Molecularity, so molecularity is the number of molecules, number of molecules taking part, taking number of molecules taking part in an in the slowest step or rate determining step, rate determining step of a multi-step reaction, of a multi-step reaction. And for a single step reaction, it is the number of molecules taking part in that elementary step. So therefore the molecularity should be the number of molecules. So number of molecules cannot be 0, because if the number of molecules will be 0, then the reaction will not be occurred. So therefore molecularity of a reaction, Therefore, molecularity of a reaction cannot be 0. So, it is true. Basically, the assumption is true. So, it is true. The molecularity of a reaction cannot be 0. So, my dear students, I am again requesting you to please write down the notes. Please write down the notes. Okay. So, today we will stop here. In our next class, we will see some more important points, more important questions. Okay. So, basically such types of question certainly clear your concept. So, this is our concept making classes. Once your concept will be clear, then you will be able to answer all the typical questions. Okay, my dear students. So, please subscribe our channel and be with us today. Good night.